Right, welcome. This is Business Prime. My name is... Now, Kenya's overall inflation has declined to 5.7% in March from 6.3% in February. Now, according to a release by Central Bank of Kenya's Monetary Policy Committee, the decline has been driven by lower food and fuel inflation. And now let's look at food inflation, which has declined to 5.8% in March from 6.9% in February, reflecting lower prices of some food items, particularly maize and wheat products, carrots, kales, and cabbages, following improved supply of attributed or ongoing harvests and favorable weather conditions. Now, to fuel inflation, which has also declined to 12.3% in March from 13.4% in February, largely reflecting the impact of the shilling's appreciation, which resulted in a decrease in electricity prices. Now, non-food and non-fuel prices remained stable at 3.6% both in February and March. Now, manufacturers have called on the government to reduce the cost of electricity. This comes as Kenya Power and Lighting Company